Alright, what's up guys? So I'm going to show you a quick automation tool. I'm going to do this in Python. What I'm going to be showing you is how to empty your trash. So, you know, the usual we would do it is open this up, empty it, closing this, and I'm going to make that all that simple. I'm going to make all of that simple. So I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to start up a new terminal. And I think I'm going to use this terminal as well. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you this cool application I found. So we can tie this script to a hotkey, and with the press of 2 buttons, it will execute the script. And okay, so we're going to start with the usual shebang for Python. User local bin Python. And I'm going to save this as empty trash.py. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay. My bad. I'm going to make this a little bigger just so you guys can see it good. Okay. So when I code, I like to comment a lot, and I comment literally for everything, just so I know what I'm doing and what specifically each thing is for. So the first thing I'm going to do is my imports. So the first import we're going to do is the OS module, package, whatever you want to name it. In this video, I'm just going to refer to them as modules. So it's going to be the OS module, and this is going to be a module to use system dependent functions. And as you see, as this video moves on, you'll see what this all means. But this module, it's a module that I'm sure a lot of you guys have used because it's a very common module. And the second import I'm going to do is shooter, and this is a module to use functions that manipulate complex files or directories. Okay, so that's all for modules. And so for this script, all we're going to use is 3 variables. Sorry about that. All we're going to use is 3 variables, and the first variable is going to be trash location. And we're going to save the path to the trash to this variable. And for Mac, the trash is actually a hidden directory, so it's going to be .trash, and make sure the T is capital. And just to make sure, let me open this up. Okay, so I have nothing there, so I'm gonna change directories to the trash and just create some sample stuff. So okay, so I'm gonna make some quick directories, and as you can see, it's reflecting on my trash can. So, and then I'm gonna add in a file. So I'm gonna do, okay. So I have 4 items there. Perfect. All right. So like I mentioned, this is the variable to hold the path. Variable to hold the path of trash. Okay. And the second variable that we're going to use is basically a list of everything that's in the trash. And by doing that, we're going to call in a function. So we're going to do files in trash. And we're going to do this by OS using the list directory function. And I'm going to pass in this variable, because the parameter that it takes is is a path. So just to make it easier, that's why I saved it into this. And why is there double? Oh, just one O. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Trash location. And there's a missing O here. Damn. Okay, so trash location. Alright, good. And this variable is variable to save list of files in trash. Okay. Alright. So now that we have the list of everything that's in trash to this variable, we're going to loop through this variable. And what we're going to do is for file in files in trash, if it's a file, we're going to call one function to delete that file. If it's a directory, we're going to use a function that's in shootail that will be able to delete that directory. But before I do that, I'm going to create another variable, and it's going to be files in trash path. And what I mean by this is that essentially what we want in this variable is, so for example, we have sample 1 here. The complete path to this would be this, sample 1. So essentially what we're doing for each file, we're going to get the complete path. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the os.path.join, and then we're going to do trash location, and then file. So the file is only going to carry this, and then we're just going to append it to the location so we can get the complete location. All right, now that we have that, we are going to do a try. If os.path is file, and then we're going to toss this in. Then we are going to do os.remove and then toss that variable in again. So if it's a file, we're going to remove it. And I'm going to print file successfully deleted. Okay. And then since we're working in Python, this has to be indented. Else if expression, actually colon there, os.path.isdir if it's a directory, and then toss that in again. We are going to shootail.rmtree and then the variable. I'm going to print directory successfully deleted. Directory successfully deleted. Cool. And then since we're doing this all under a try, we have to throw in an exception. In case something goes wrong, we gotta know what went wrong. Except exception as E, print E. Cool. And to finish this off, I'm gonna want to print trash empty. Trash empty. Okay. All right. So that's all that's the whole script. Super simple. And so the application that I mentioned earlier is apptivate. Basically, I'll provide the link in the description. Once you get it downloaded and running, all you have to do is add an item, and then So we're on the desktop. I saved this in the desktop. Open that, and then all you have to do is add a hotkey to it. So I want to execute this every time I press Command Shift E. So it records and done. So I'm going to bring out the trash right now, just so you can see that it's live and that the script actually worked. And execute. And as you can see, everything was deleted. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any videos of any other scripts that you would like me to automate, let me know.